In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a presentation in Canva. To get started, open Canva on your computer or in your web browser. Once you're on the home screen, look for the option that says Create a Design and click on it. This is where Canva lets you choose the type of project you want to make. Since we're building a slideshow, the next thing you'll do is select Presentation from the available options. This will open a presentation workspace sized correctly for standard slides, so you can begin designing right away. After that, choose a blank presentation to start from scratch. This is a great option if you want full control over how your slides look and feel. Instead of starting with a pre-made template, you'll have an empty canvas where you can build each slide exactly the way you want. This is especially helpful if you already have a topic, a structure, or a specific visual style in mind. Now you can begin adding slides and customizing your presentation. You can insert new slides as needed and start building your content one section at a time. Add text for your titles, subtitles, or main points. Bring in images if you want to make your slides more visual and engaging. You can also use elements such as shapes, icons, lines, and graphics to support your message or improve the layout. If you want a cleaner design process, try different layouts to organize your content in a way that looks balanced and easy to read. As you design, use the toolbar to adjust fonts, colors, and styles. This is where you can refine the overall appearance of your presentation. Choose fonts that are clear and professional, especially for headings and body text. Update colors so they match your topic or brand style, and make sure there's enough contrast so everything stays readable. You can also adjust style settings to keep your slides consistent from beginning to end. A consistent look helps your presentation feel more polished and easier for viewers to follow. Once everything looks the way you want, you're ready to finish. Click Present if you want to show your slideshow right away from Canva. This is useful if you're sharing your screen or presenting live. If you need a file to save or send, click Download and choose the format that works best for you. Before you wrap up, it's always a good idea to quickly review your slides for spacing, alignment, and readability. And that's it. You've created a presentation in Canva from scratch.